The biggest thing I've seen this year is just people's ability to adapt and find a way to get things done, even in this, strange time with different restrictions and, trying to keep everybody safe and healthy. And, just trying to find a way, principal never shut down. We never had a day where we were closed because of COVID. And, some of our customers never closed, and we needed to get them product. We just found a way to keep everybody safe. The next challenge is just, trying to just anticipate where things are going. And, who would have thought things were going to be so busy now 6 months ago, when we were not very busy. And I think that, is trying to anticipate and making quick decisions and trying to constantly just steer the ship kind of through how, the changes that are going on. For me, it's not about being bigger, it's about being better in many different ways. And whether it's just a better place for people to work, or we're able to give more offerings to our customers, or better quality, or I think that's my focus, is just improving what we do, getting the company healthier and healthier. And my dad's big thing, and I really agree with it, is, we always want to give our employees opportunity to grow. And, we have a lot of employees that have been here for a long time. I've been here for, full-time 21 years. There's people that have been here a lot longer than me. And our turnover is, is less than 2% for our full-time employees. And we just like to see people grow and give people the opportunities to get training and take on new opportunities. And I love solving problems. I have a passion for solving problems and overcoming issues. And I think that I just apply that every day, and I like the challenge of taking something that seems impossible or close to impossible and trying to figure out how we're going to do it. And just, dealing with issues. I feel like management and manufacturing is just kind of dealing with the abnormal, the things that come up that are abnormal, and you just have to find a way to get your team to overcome the issue.